BioloMix 2000W electric contact grill, digital griddle and panini press. Transform your kitchen experience with the BioloMix 2000W electric contact grill, a versatile and modern solution for all your cooking needs. Designed with advanced features and multifunctionality, this grill allows you to enjoy perfectly cooked meals with ease. Whether you're preparing paninis, grilling steaks, or even making waffles, the BioloMix contact grill has you covered. Features: modern style and multifunction. The sleek black and stainless steel finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Compact and modern, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen style while offering a wide range of functions for everyday cooking. 6 automatic cooking presets and DIY options. This electric grill features 6 automatic cooking programs for beef, fish, chicken, sausage, hamburger, and bacon. Simply press a button to start cooking. Additionally, the DIY mode lets you customize the timer and temperature to suit your taste preferences. Bonus features include a defrost function and the option to use only the lower grill. Open flat, large grilling surface. With its 180 degrees flat open design, this grill transforms into a large grilling surface. The 2-in-1 design includes removable griddle and grill plates, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes at once, perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Grill, griddle, and waffle plates option. Enjoy the flexibility of reversible grill and griddle plates included with the grill. Optional waffle plates are available for making the tastiest waffles. The non-stick surface ensures less oil use, healthier cooking, and easy cleaning. All plates are BPA-free and PFOA-free for your safety. Easy-to-use digital controls. The intuitive digital control panel lets you adjust the temperature of the upper and lower plates separately, ranging from 80 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. The grill heats up quickly and includes a built-in drip tray for collecting excess oil, which is removable and dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Benefits: healthier cooking, cook with less oil and smoke, thanks to the smart thermostat control and non-stick plates. Dual zone temperature control, control upper and lower plates independently for precise cooking. Even heating, the 304 stainless steel heating tube ensures uniform heat distribution for perfectly cooked food every time. Versatility, perfect for paninis, grilled fish, steaks, burgers, vegetables, and even waffles with optional plates. Durable and safe, FDA-certified cooking plates are built to last and ensure food safety. What's included? BioloMix electric grill. 2 reversible grill or griddle plates. Optional waffle plates, sold separately. User manual. With the BioloMix 2000W electric contact grill, you can enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home. Its multifunctional design, large cooking surface, and modern features make it a must-have kitchen companion. Upgrade your cooking today and enjoy delicious, healthier meals with ease.